My life is perfectly working. Maganda ba yan? Grow as much as you can so you can contribute as much as you can. Taking care of your body has been there for since the longest time. Pero ito hindi na uubos. Our job here is to get here. Which is time freedom, financial freedom, plus fulfillment. And I call that abundance. What is it?
Abundance.
And abundance really is just assurance na whether may gagawin ako wala, my life is perfectly working. Maganda ba yan? But a lot of us people, we have illusion. What's the word? Pag may sinimulan ako, straight line yan, perfect na ako. Never happened. We were all wired up in the traditional way of thinking. Linear. What's the word?
Linear.
Pag na-grade 1 ka, mag-grade 2 ka, grade 3, high school, college. Tapos pag nakatrabaho ka, kikita ka. Tama ba? Tapos sabi daw, mag-stay ka dyan hanggang 60, 65 years old kasi pag nag-retire ka, magiging successful at pasaya ka. Totoo. Biggest lie. So, the moment you retire, you're out of the game. Tama? By accident, okay, na-meet mo si networking. Right? Kumita ka, humataw ka, napagod ka ng konti, may pa-promo, napagod ka, right? Tapos nainis ka, nag-stay ka dyan, nakita ka ng bagong company, binigyan ka ng break, tapos yun pala, na-traitor ka, and then you stay there long enough up until ayaw mo na. Good? What if every day your job here is number 1, to connect to your God Almighty? Good or good?
Good.
Number 2, take care of your physical health, nurturing it no matter what. Good or good?
Very good.
But number 3, grow as much as you can so you can contribute as much as you can. Good or good? You may not get it right away, but one thing I'll guarantee you, up until one day, boom. The only guarantee I have here is, just in case bumagsak ka man, hindi kasing lalim noon. Problema kasi, pag bumagsak na hurt, ayaw na, iniyakan. Tapos, since said na, sige na, hataw na naman tayo. Tapos, sasaktan ka na one time, ayaw na. Pag bumagsak ka, hindi kasing baba noon. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo dalawa. Normal lang, hindi araw-araw maganda at masaya. Importante, you're willing to trust. Just like the tree, pag namunga yan, after 10 years, tuloy, at yung bunga nagiging puno, yung puno nagiging bunga, up until nagiging buong forest yan. So Roy, that's the beauty of daily structure, daily rhythm, hanggang naging ugali mo na. At sabi mo nga, your bad habits, mahirap patayin. It can only die when you do it daily. Did that make sense? Ako, eto lang. Ako, I feel I'm staying here. Magtrabaho ko, hindi. Ang pera kusang pumapasok. Walang takot. Kasi siguro, sobrang tagal ko nang tinrabaho to. So, yung sinabi ni Abja na 1 year, hindi. Kailan ka titigil hanggang naging ugali mo na. You taking care of your body has been there for since the longest time. So, hindi mo na maalis yan. You only let go of the structure when you cannot, or when you can no longer, you don't even have to check on it. Clear? So, number 1, illusion, 1 straight line. Number 2, linear. Number 3 is what we call hard work, strategic work. Okay? This is faith work. Clear? So this one is hard work. This one is strategic work. This one is faith work. Good? Kasi Roy, yung hard work na uubos. Mapapagod ka rin. Kaya ako right now, at 55, feeling ko I'm just starting in my life. Ang strategic work na uubos, kakaisip mo ng strategy, said na said ka na. Pero ito hindi na uubos. So ano pakiramdam, Roy? Ito lang pala trabaho, maniwala lang sa taas. Yung excitement mo ang taas. But you have to evolve. Kaya nga, your evidence that you have faith work is your rate of self-evolution. God.
Pasok eh. Pasok po.
God.